Okay, my turn now.
Come on, Maya, hurry up. I need to be careful. The tower needs to stay straight.
But you're taking so long.
If I rush, it falls.
That's not fun. My turn. Let me try.
Okay, be careful. The tower is a little shaky right now.
I know what I'm doing.
Tom, wait! That block isn't safe. Oh no.
You lost.
You distracted me. You made me lose. I tried to warn you. I wasn't trying to make you lose.
This is your fault, Maya. You did this on purpose.
Tom, it's just a game. Next time you can win.
No, you need to lose for once. You need to know how it feels.
Tom, come back! I'm sorry. No one saw me. No one will know.
Has anyone seen my wallet?
What do you mean? Where did you leave it?
In the study, on the table. Some money is missing.
Children! Maya! Tom, come here, please.
What happened?
We need to ask you something very important.
Some money is missing from my wallet. I didn't take it either.
Are you sure? This is serious.
I promise I didn't take any money.
Then where did it go?
I saw Maya near your room this morning.
What? No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. I remember seeing you go in.
I was never in the study today.
Maya, if you took the money, you need to tell us now!
But I didn't. Tom is lying.
Why would Tom lie about this?
We're very disappointed in you, Maya.
Please believe me. I'm telling the truth.
Go to your room. We'll discuss this later.
I'm sorry, Maya. I just told what I saw. Maya, we've decided you cannot play with your friends for 1 week.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
Taking money is very serious.
Mom, I promise. I would never take Dad's money.
We've made our decision.
You don't believe me at all?
We need to see more honesty from you.
No, I just came downstairs. I didn't break it.
Maya, this is the second time in 3 days.
Mom, please. I'm telling the truth. I didn't touch the vase.
I was in the hallway. I saw her.
Tom, you know that's not true.
I'm very disappointed in you.
This isn't fair. Please listen to me.
You need to accept responsibility for your actions.
I'm sorry, Mom. I wish she would tell the truth.
Maya, can you bring me your father's dress shirt?
Okay, I'll get it.
Here it is.
Maya, how did this happen? What?
I didn't do that. The shirt was already stained. This is the 3rd incident. I don't understand you anymore.
Mom, I promise I didn't stain it. Maybe Dad spilled something.
Your father would never do that. He's very careful. Please believe me. You're gonna stay in your room. I need to think.
I have something to tell you.
What?
I broke the lamp in the den. I'll tell Mom you did it.
Tom, no! You can't keep doing this.
If you don't agree to take the blame, I'll break more. I'll blame you for all.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I lost to you. And you need to lose too. But the money, the vase, the shirt.
Were all you?
Yes. And if you don't help me, it gets worse. I can't tell lies, Tom. It's wrong.
Then I'll keep breaking things. What will they think?
Okay, I'll take the blame. This has to stop.
Thank you. You're the best.
Look, it's over, okay? I'm done.
How can you just walk away like this?
Oh, my babies.
We need to talk about what's been happening.
What do you mean?
I heard everything. Tom has been lying. Maya has been innocent. I heard Tom threatening Maya. He took the money. He broke the vase. He stained your shirt.
You knew the truth. You watched us blame her. And we blamed Maya for all of it.
We didn't listen. We didn't give her a fair chance.
We made a serious mistake.
We need to fix this. Today.
We need to talk about something important. Tom, I want you to tell us the truth.
What do you mean?
The money, the vase, the shirt, everything.
I broke the vase, too. And I stained your shirt, Dad.
Why did you blame Maya?
Because I was angry. I lost to Maya. I kept lying because she believed me. I didn't know how to stop.
Do you understand what you've done?
I hurt Maya. I lied to you both. I broke your trust.
Trust is very precious in a family.
I know that now. But hurting your sister to feel better is wrong. I'm sorry, Maya. I'm really sorry.
I forgive you, Tom. But you scared me.
I just wanted you to understand losing.
You will lose your allowance for 1 week, Tom.
And no gifts for that time.
Okay. I deserve that.
We need you to understand why this matters.
Lying hurts people. It broke our family.
Come, let's sit together in the living room. I want to tell you something very important.
What is it?
I'm sorry. I should have believed you from the beginning.
You didn't listen.
No, we didn't. And that was wrong. We should have been more careful.
We jumped to conclusions without thinking carefully.
It hurt a lot. We're sorry. You were telling the truth, and we didn't trust you.
We promise to listen to you better from now on.
Thank you for believing me now.
You've always been honest.
You're a very brave and truthful girl.
I'm glad everyone knows the truth finally.
It's nice, isn't it?
Just us, finally quiet.
Yes. I feel like I can finally breathe.
Can I sit here? Yes, you can.
I want to say something important.
I want to say something important.
Okay. I was wrong to hurt you. I'm sorry every day.
I believe you, Tom.
I'm trying to be better now. I'm trying to tell the truth about everything.
That makes me happy. Do you want to play the tower game with me? Yes. I would like that very much.
And this time, if I lose, I promise I won't be angry.
That's good. Losing is just part of playing.
Everything is going to be all right now, sweetie.
We are so happy to have this time together as a family.
Maria Sukoi Sam. I want to say something about honesty and trust.
We've learned an important lesson this week.
Honesty is the foundation of family. Without it, everything breaks.
I understand that now. I won't lie again.
Trust takes a long time to build, but can break very quickly.
Yes, that's right. We must be careful with it.
Tom, you're learning that mistakes are okay if you admit them.
I wish I had just said sorry at first.
That would have been better for all of us.
But what matters now is that you're trying. You're honest now.
And we promise to listen carefully and fairly to all of you.
I love you both so much. We love you too, Mom.
My beautiful family.
We love you both. Love means we must be honest with each other.
I love you too. I love this family. I won't forget this lesson.
It feels peaceful, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. I'm so glad we're all together. I love you guys.